Okay, dear students, today we're gonna learn opposite words. Okay, what you gonna learn? Opposite words. Yes, here example, day. Day look like this. Day we are finding sun, clouds, right outside, and the many birds also flying on the sky. And the opposite, there is night. Night we can found star, moon, dark sky. Right, everyone? So we have to learn opposite word name. Okay, so are you ready all? Yes. Very good.
Slow.
Slow. Slow opposite? Fast. Fast. Very good.
Fast.
Girls, walk slowly. Walk everyone slowly, okay? Slow everyone walk. Yes, it is called slow, right? And opposite boys will do. Boys stand up and do opposite. Girls are doing slow walking. So boys opposite. What do you have to do? Show me. Very good. And fast, opposite. Girls do opposite. Slow. Do it, everyone. Do.
Slow.
Okay, very good. So we have learned opposite, fast and slow. Okay, everyone? Sit down. What is the meanings of wait? Gila, yes. And the opposite? 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 Dry. Opposite? Dry, yes. You know, what is the means of dry? Meanings. What is the meanings? जैसे आपने एग्जाम्पल दिए, वेट इस गीला कहा जाता है, और इसका मीनिंग्स क्या होगा ड्राई का? सूखा. वेरी गुड एवरीवन, वेरी गुड.